Welcome back to my channel. In this video guide I will show you how to fix SMITE to gamepad or controller not working issue. So the very first method is to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC. After that, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. If not, next method is to update your controller drivers. For that, you have to connect your PC and controller first. After that, go to the Windows search for device manager. Now here you have to expand human interface devices, select a controller, right click on it, click on update driver, and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your controller drivers. After that, launch the game and then check whether controller is working or not. Next is to enable or disable Steam input. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Now click on controller and here select enable Steam input and then check whether controller is working or not. If not, again come back, select disable Steam input and then check if controller is working or not. If this also doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select the default settings and move to the next method. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files. Once done, launch the game and then check whether gamepad is working or not. Next is to press Alt plus Enter keys. So many experts suggest to press Alt plus Enter keys as this is one of the best trick to resolve such kind of unexpected issue. Next solution is to update Windows. So for that, go to the Windows search for settings. After that, here you have to click on Windows Update, click on check for updates and wait for some time. It will check if there is any update available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check whether controller is working or not. Some other troubleshooting tips to follow: clear cache on Steam. So for that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. You need to log into Steam once again, so confirm it, and after that log into Steam, launch the game and then check whether gamepad is working or not. If not, next is to, if using wired plug for a controller, then unplug and replug it. This is an important step, so don't miss it out. Next is to use big picture mode for SMITE 2 game. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here you can see big picture mode, simply click on it. After that, select the game and click on the play button. Once done, now click on Steam option, click on power and then select exit big picture mode. So after this, launch the game and then check whether gamepad or controller is working or not. So these are few solutions to fix gamepad or controller not working issue on SMITE 2 game. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.